In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use parameter action to drill down in Tableau. We'll walk through the steps to create a dynamic and interactive data visualization using parameter actions. This tutorial is designed to help you create a seamless drill down experience for your Tableau dashboards, providing users with greater insights and control over the data they're exploring. Let's get started by opening the Tableau app on your computer. Once you've got your workspace ready, the first thing you need to do is drag the category field to the rows shelf. This action will lay the foundation for the data drill down by organizing your categories along the y-axis. Next, take the sales field and drag it to the column shelf. This will form the x-axis, allowing you to visualize how sales data vary across the different categories you've set up. With these two fields in place, you'll have a simple bar chart ready to go. To make sure you can see everything clearly, set the view to entire view. This step ensures that your entire chart fits within the Tableau window, offering a comprehensive look at the data without the need for scroll bars. Now, look for the drop-down arrow in the top toolbar. Click on it and select Create Parameter. Give your parameter a relevant name to reflect its purpose. Remember to set its data type to string, as this will be pivotal in allowing Tableau to understand the category data we're working with. In the Allowable Values section, go ahead and select List. Following this, click on Add Values From and choose Category. This action will populate your parameter with the unique values found in the Category field, providing a robust list of options to interact with. Don't forget to add None to the list as well. Then click OK. This additional value acts as a default, giving users a way to reset the selection. You'll need to refer back to the drop-down arrow again, this time selecting Create Calculated Field. Name it, type in your query logic, and then click OK to save. Now drag this calculated field onto the rows shelf, allowing it to influence the visual display based on user interaction with the parameter. Let's move on to revealing the parameter control. Go to your parameter and choose Show Parameter. By doing this, you expose the parameter control to the dashboard, enabling users to change the selection dynamically and thus the data view. Now, visit the Worksheet tab and click Actions. Here, add a new action by selecting Change Parameter. In the prompt that appears, give this action a distinctive name. Under Source Sheet, ensure you select the sheet you're currently working on. This links the action directly to the visualization we're building. For Run Action On, choose Select. This choice ensures the action triggers whenever someone selects data points on the chart. Set the target parameter and source field accurately, making sure they align with the earlier created parameter. Finally, select Set Value To, type None, and click OK. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully added parameter actions to create an interactive drill-down effect in Tableau, enhancing both the functionality and user-friendliness of your data visualization.